guys, this is Trey, General Manager here at Squeegee Squad in Tulsa. Today's video is going to be about when professional window cleaning might not actually be necessary. Why are we making a video about this? Because we just want to be honest. There are situations where paying somebody to clean your windows just doesn't make a whole lot of sense, and we would rather value transparency over selling more business that you don't actually need. So some situations where you might not really need professional window cleaning services would include things like if you just have a single-story building, that the glass is easy to reach, you can buy the tools yourself and do it, have a maintenance person do it. If you have very infrequent needs, so if you don't want to be on a schedule or you barely have any glass, so it barely ever has to get cleaned, that's another good example. And then probably the last one is if you're low visibility or if you don't mind having dirty windows at wherever your business is. So if you're not willing to put the resources into that and you're okay with how they look and it's not affecting your customer base or anything like that, that's another good example. So if any of those scenarios that I just mentioned line up kind of with your business and your needs, a great option for you is to just do it yourself. There's videos on YouTube that teach people how to clean windows from a technique standpoint. You can buy the equipment yourself from Home Depot and be cleaning in a couple of hours. And it's very cost effective that way. So if you do go the DIY route, just know that there are resources out there that can help educate you on what you need to get, where you need to get it from, and then how to do it once you actually have it. So you might be asking yourself, well, how do I make this choice whether to call a pro or do it myself? The main things that you have to consider are what your actual need is versus what a provider can give you and at what cost. Cost is obviously super important. One important thing to note is you want to avoid either overpaying for service you don't actually need or going with a cheap option that is probably going to be underplanned and lead to headaches. The other major factors obviously are going to be things like risk, long-term impact to your building, and then how it's affecting your customers and your employees that are coming into your building. So things to take away from this video, we just want you guys to feel like you can trust us to tell you whenever your project is not right for us. We value honesty. We think it forms long-term partnerships, whether we're cleaning your windows or we're not. What we would encourage everybody to do no matter what, always ask questions. So if you're going out there to get estimates for window cleaning at your building, make sure that you're asking them all these questions that we've addressed in here and in previous videos, things like planning, execution, and safety. That way you can cover your behind and you're not gonna get in any trouble whenever it gets to that service time. So if you guys think you need some window cleaning and you're interested in Squeegee Squad coming out to be your window cleaner, please visit our website or go to the description in this YouTube video, and there's a couple links, one for a self-pricing tool and one for the blog post associated with this. Hope to hear from you soon. If you enjoyed watching this video today, please go to the description on this video to find our self-pricing tool and the blog associated with this video. Visit our website also, www.squeegeesquadtulsa.com, or call us at 918-331-9905. Please make sure to also like and subscribe.